Is this refurbished Hewlett Packard Enterprise SCSI drive tray for the ML350 server a hidden gem or a potential headache? We're diving into the ML350 HDDTRAY RFB to see if this bulk packaged component can breathe new life into your aging infrastructure. When you're dealing with server hardware, especially refurbished parts, there's always that nagging question: will it perform reliably, or is it a ticking time bomb? This particular tray is designed to house SCSI drives, a technology that, while older, is still prevalent in many enterprise environments for its robustness and performance in specific workloads. The fact that it's refurbished immediately raises a flag for some, but it also presents a compelling cost-saving opportunity. The initial impression is that it's a no-frills, functional piece of hardware. It's built to slot into the ML350 chassis, and the expectation is that it will do so without fuss. For anyone managing a fleet of these servers, the ability to easily swap out or add drives is crucial for maintenance and expansion. This tray is the gateway to that functionality. The bulk packaging suggests it's likely sourced from decommissioned servers, meaning it's been out in the wild and proven its worth, at least for a time. The key here is the refurbishment process. What exactly does that entail? While the product description is sparse, one hopes it includes thorough testing and any necessary component replacements to ensure it meets operational standards. The real test, of course, is how it performs once installed. Does it seat firmly? Are the drive connections secure? Does the server recognize the drives without issue? These are the critical questions. For a refurbished item, the primary draw is the price point. If it delivers consistent performance and reliability, it becomes an incredibly smart investment for budget-conscious IT departments. It's not about flashy features, it's about dependable functionality. The SCSI interface itself, while not the fastest by modern standards, offers a certain level of stability and data integrity that many still rely on. This tray is essentially the bridge between that reliable storage and the server's core. It's a small component, but absolutely vital to the overall operation of the storage subsystem. If your ML350 is showing signs of drive issues, or you need to expand your storage capacity without breaking the bank, this refurbished tray is definitely worth considering. It's a practical solution for a common server need. Ultimately, for its intended purpose, this refurbished HPE SCSI drive tray for the ML350 appears to be a solid, cost-effective choice for maintaining and expanding server storage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.